In a previous video niliwaonesha about the Windows Defender firewall na vile tunaweza itumia kublock any application on our computer. Today we are going to talk about another firewall inaitwa Portmaster. Now Portmaster is a type of firewall yenye tunaitanga application firewall. Now nili explain in the previous video what a firewall is, but for those who didn't see the video, a firewall basically is a program ama it can be a hardware yenye tunaikanga in between our local network and the internet. So the work of the firewall is to block any incoming connection from the internet unless imetoka from our network. Now wakati tutakuwa tunatumia firewalls tunaweza block any applications, any services from accessing the internet. Now hii inaweza kuwa very convenient kama kuna application yenye unatumia na ungetaka ikuwe na internet connection at all. Na tukiwa nayo knowledge, leo nataka kuonesha another firewall inaitwa Portmaster. Now of all the firewalls yenye nimecheki huko ndani, naweza sema for a fact kwamba Portmaster is the best I have seen so far. It is free and it is open source, but you can also go for a premium version. But ile free version ama the basic version already iko na a lot of features zenye unaweza tumia ku protect your computer. Now the first time unafungua utapata something like this. The interface inaka something like this. The first place utaingia ni the dashboard. Ukiangalia the dashboard hapa, dashboard inakupatia a lot of information. Basically inakupatia an overview of what is going on. We can see that our current plan is Portmaster free and it will never end. So that's a good thing. We can always subscribe for more premium features. Hapa chini inatuonyesha some features. We can see that secure DNS is free, privacy filter iko pale, iko active. So unaona hizi zenye zimeandikwa ++, network history, surfing support, bandwidth, visibility and service, surfing, privacy network, zote ziko ni pro. Network history inaweza kupatia a good overview of your network history. Una bandwidth, visibility, tunaweza check vile bandwidth yetu inatumika, applications gani zinatumia more bandwidth than others. And then kuna kitu inaitwa surfing privacy network, inawaka exactly the same way kama Tor. So wale wametumia Tor, surfing privacy network ama SPN inawaka basically the same way. Tukiscroll down hapa tunaona some recent activity, tunaona kwamba we have 66 connections zenye zimeblockiwa so far. We can go inside by the way, we can click there and then itatupeleka kwa hii tab inaitwa network activity. So hapa tunaona a history of all our network activity. Tukiscroll down tunaona zile connections zote zimeblockiwa. The latest one na imeblockiwa 2 minutes ago ni ya Brave. Ilikuwa inafanya something we call a DNS request. We can see dns.google also. We can also Microsoft tunaona ilikuwa inajaribu connect to a service in the US on this IP address and on this port HTTPS 443. So hii ni an overview. Now tunaweza angalia pia zile active connections. Hizi active connections zile zinaendelea sai as we are talking. We can see it kuna data.microsoft.com, and the good thing with Portmaster itakuonesha pia inajaribu connect to what server where in this part of the world. So we can see that data.microsoft.com inajaribu ku access a server in US na hiyo server iko na this IP address and it's trying to access on this port 443, that is HTTPS. Now tukiscroll down tunaona vitu zingine pia kuna hii chromiumonline.com inajaribu ku access server in Canada, ingine inajaribu ku access a server in AU. We can also see South Africa. Everything yenye inaendelea you can see it. You can actually click and then you upate even more information. For example, when this connection start, we can see that at 11:09:03 AM na bado ija end, you can see it's still in process. Verdict, it was accepted. This was the local address, hii ndio IP address yangu na ilikuwa ina communicate on this port from my computer. We can see the aggregation, it's outgoing protocol ni TCP. So wakati utakuwa na LAN computer networking, utalearn about the two protocols of the internet, TCP and UDP. So these two protocols ndo zina make up the internet. Na utakuwa na learn about this very often wakati utakuwa unaingia into computer networking. This you can click on any, for example tukiingia South Africa pia we can see all the information yenye inaendelea pale. Portmaster is very convenient. We can also see the active applications. Tukikuja hapa chini tunaona zile active and blocked connections with a good graph there. And we can also see the recently blocked application. Na tunaona Brave ndo iko most blocked because obviously hiyo ndo inajaribu ku access the internet. And the other good thing with Portmaster, we can see that we have a map. If you come down here, you can see a map of all the connections that are going from our computer and to which countries. We can see that the most yenye tuko connect to is actually Kenya. It's Kenya with 153 connection, followed by South Africa, and then tuko na Canada. So if you come here, we can see a very nice overview come up pale yenye tuonesha zile connections zetu zinaenda to which countries on the world. So this is a nice way of knowing what countries you are trying to connect to. For example, kama na connect to something like Russia or China, I might be worried, of course, what are those applications that are trying to connect to servers in those countries. So this is another nice way of knowing what is going on inside your computer. We can also go to apps on this pen here. this sidebar, you can switch between the dashboard. Now tuko na kwa apps. This is another nice place. The same way na ile the other video yenye niliwaonyesha on how to block a program, you can also block individual programs in Portmaster. So for example, we can scroll down. Maybe we don't want IObit uninstaller to access the internet. You can click on it and then you can block connections. So this means IObit uninstaller hakuna wakati itaweza ku access the internet. So this is another nice way. If you come down here, utaona some more information. You can actually block any program. Ukisearch hapa, so let's say for example OBS. If you click here, utaona kuna one active hapa, and then tunaweza angalia pia some activities OBS imekuwa ikifanya nini. For example, we can see that obsproject.com imejaribu ku access a server in Canada on this IP address, and that was 7 minutes ago. So we can click to get more overview. So we can see that the connection was encrypted and it was going through the TCP protocol. We can see that the surfing privacy network is not protected there. So that's here in a shida. Now you can also block this application if you want to. So and we can also on this side on network activity na kupatia active connections in real time. You can see how much they're using. Portmaster is a very, very nice firewall that you must have if you care about your computer security. Anybody out there mwenye ana care about computer security yake and privacy, you must have this Portmaster installed. If you want to install it, go to browser and then search surfing Portmaster. So you can go to this web domain surfing.io, click on download, and then uta-download ile installer. Just go and run that installer, Portmaster installer. Wakati ume-install, then open it and you'll be greeted by this very nice interface. I hope this video was informative and educative. Kama umependa, please piga ka follow button. Follow. This is the only way tunaweza ambia TikTok kwamba we are providing good content and it should be recommended to every other person. Kama kuna any questions, piga pale kwa comment section. Save this video for future reference. Wewe jua ni wakati gani itakusaidia manze. And then please enda kwa profile yangu pale, click on the YouTube button, go to my channel, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Manze nawapenda sana. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers manze.